Hi, today we're looking at volume of a cuboid. So here I have a little cube. It's 1 centimetre wide and 1 centimetre in height and 1 centimetre in depth. We say it has a volume of 1 centimetre cubed. So this shape has 3 dimensions: width, depth and height. And volume is measured in units cubed, little 3 here, in this case centimetre cubed. 3 dimensions, so it has a little 3 here. So I've got a volume of 1 centimetre cubed. If I add another one exactly the same, I've got 2 centimetre cubed. And another one I've got 3 centimetre cubed. I could put 3 in the front and have 6 centimetre cubed, 9 and 12 centimetre cubed. Okay, let's look at a different example. Count how many cubes I've got in this shape. It tells me I've got a width of 4 and a depth of 4 and a height of 1. If I count my little cubes, I know I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in the back row, another 4 the same in this row, so that's 8, another 4 here, so that's 12, and another 4 right at the front here, that's 16. So the volume of my shape using the counting cubes method is 16 centimetre cubed. But there is a faster way using the formula. And my formula is volume equals width multiplied by depth multiplied by height. So in this example, my width is 4 centimetres. Width is how far across it is. And my depth is 4 centimetres, how deep it goes back. And my height, how tall it is 1 centimetre. So if I do the calculation, 4 centimetres multiplied by 4 centimetres is 16, multiplied by 1 is 16 centimetre cubed. So this is the same value as we got from our counting cubes method. Now if I add another layer exactly the same on the top, so I know I've got 16 centimetres in this bottom layer here, and I must have 16 centimetre cubed in this top layer here. So altogether I've got 32 centimetre cubed. Let's see it in the formula. So it says volume equals width multiplied by depth multiplied by height. Well, my width is still 4, my depth is still 4, and now my height is 2. So 4 multiplied by 4 gives me 16, multiplied by 2 gives me 32 centimetre cubed. And this is the same value as we had when we were adding up our little cubes. We pop another layer on the top. My width is still 4, my depth is still 4, but my height is now 3. Remember, you can multiply in any order. So I'm going to do 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 multiplied by this 4 gives me 48 centimetre cubed. So the volume of my shape is now 48 centimetre cubed. And a final layer on the top. My width is still 4, my depth is still 4, but my height is now 4 as well. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 4 is 64 centimetre cubed. Now that method is all very well when there are little cubes on there and we can count all the little lines going across. But we can still use our formula when there aren't any little lines drawn on for the cubes. First of all, you just have to check that all these measurements are in the same unit. So all of these are all in centimetres, so that's great. And then I can apply my formula. Volume equals width multiplied by depth multiplied by height. So my width is how far across it is, this 10 here. My depth is how far it goes back, so this 3 here. And my height is how tall it is, so this 6 here. So my volume is 10 centimetres multiplied by 3 centimetres multiplied by 6 centimetres. As I can multiply in any order, I think I'm going to do 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. And then all I need to do is multiply by 10. So 18 times 10 is 180. So 180 centimetre cubed is the volume of this shape. Try another where it's facing the other way round a bit. Okay, so volume equals width multiplied by depth multiplied by height. My width is how far across it is, so that's at 3 here. My depth is now over the other side, how far back it goes, it's 6 here. And my height is now over this side, 8 centimetres. So, my formula says I need to multiply 3 by 6 by 8. So, 6 8s are 48. 48 multiplied by 3 gives me 144 centimetre cubed. So the volume of this shape is 144 centimetre cubed.